Hello guys, I hope you all people are doing well. So, how to organize your thoughts and why it is so important to organize your thoughts? What is the need to organize it? Do you take stress on your daily life schedules? Do you take stress on your daily life tasks? Do you merge up all the content in your head at the same time? If yes, then I will tell you about the ways to how to organize your thoughts so that you can organize your life as well. And seriously guys, trust me, if you will apply this technique, then you will be able to organize your life as well. So let's give it a start. We often indulge in overthinking. What is the difference between overthinking and systematic thinking, organized thinking? Organized thinking involves a systematic procedure of thoughts. We think, we do take stress, but in a systematic manner. We give separate times to our separate things, to our separate works, and hence we take less stress in an organized thinking. And whereas in overthinking, we merge up all the content at the same time, and that's why it is mostly negative. It mostly includes negative patterns, and hence we take distress over our daily work. So, we have to convert our negative patterns into our positive ones. We have to stop overthinking and we have to start organizing our thoughts. So, how can we do that? The big question arises, how can we do that? How can we think in a positive manner, in an organized way? Organization of thoughts is like solving a jigsaw puzzle, putting pieces by pieces according to the situation, according to that puzzle. So you have to put pieces by pieces according to your problem, and then you have to follow a step by step procedure. And if you are not coming to a solution, then don't worry, because there is always trial and error method. You can always try and then fail, and then always again try and then fail, but finally you will come to a solution. This thing takes some time and some practice as well. So you need to practice a lot. You need to give some time over this so you can be perfect in organization of your thoughts. How to organize it? Let's take an example. So I have an exam after 3 days and I am continuously distressing over it. What I am going to write in that exam? I am not prepared. So what can I do? Can I continuously keep going on thinking? But can I stop for a period of time and think of some strategies, think of some plans, that what are the chapters that are left? So I can study them in 3 days. I can make some plans. I can limit my me time. I can limit my time of watching TV. So I can study more and more. So I can pass in that exam. Here I did organize my thoughts instead of stressing over that. You need to follow the same procedure, but according to the situation your procedure will change. And if you are not getting into a solution, then just wait and think of some clarity, think of some new thoughts so that new thoughts can occur into your head, and then you can think of any solution. There is always a solution to any problem in life. So try to think of new ideas so that you can lead to a solution. And this will need some time. This will need some practice. How can you practice that? You can practice that by meditation, by meditating, by concentrating on a single task for some period of time. You can also practice that by mirror talking and maintaining a journal sort, and by brisk walking. Brisk walking, I do this technique because brisk walking helps me a lot. When I am fed up of my thoughts, then I usually go into the park and I continuously brisk walk so that I can leave my thoughts behind. You can apply that, and you can also maintain a journal sort if you are interested in writing. So start organizing your thoughts from today only, and please be patient, give it some time, give it some practice, and then you will be able to master your thoughts, to organize your thoughts. Bye bye.